here we spray this in this cactus as well, and then we'll go to my orchids because I see this white mites here, or white something disease for the plants. Okay, cactus will be happy soon. I mean the mildew, guys, is attacked with my so therefore we attack this cactus as well. Oh well, let's spray our dahlias too. It just new opened. I hope nothing can get in or viruses can get in, so it will stunt the growth. Alright, I'll take a different video this one, guys. Cheers. So beautiful. Sugar, really healthy now. So happy for it. But they are dwarf, I think. Tessilar. No, they haven't seen that is dwarf. So probably this is not dwarf and betula. Very healthy seeds or tubers that I get from them. I only get one because they were quite expensive and I ordered some. So yeah. Okay, let's go to the orchids. Alright everybody, here is the orchids that are very problematic to me right now. I think I may or I may not transfer. Oh, I didn't repotting this, I guess. So therefore, look at this was, guys. This mildew attack this in the middle. It's kind of white powdery. See the organ now. Because I clean it up, see. Problem with this, the attack right there in the corner. Right in the tip of it, where the crown, plant crown here. Right there. I hope I salvage this. And I hope there's nothing there anymore. Really devastation if you just kind of neglecting them, and then this thing will really attack them, you know. See, this is what happening, guys. I just been doing it, and then they just white powder is in there. Like I almost cried. I'm thinking maybe I'm not gonna I'm not gonna get them anymore because they were so expensive. And in up like this, less than a year, guys. See that? Very healthy leaves, and in up dead because of them. Look. Oh, well, lesson to learn anyway. We have to salvage them. Put the hydrogen peroxide that I just made 5 minutes ago with the water, of course. 1/4 amount only. So spray all over, and maybe tomorrow or so I'll inspect them again. Then I'm gonna probably wash this gravel and then put fresh one up. We'll see. It's time to repotting them soon.